Welcome to Bliss Dose. What if I told you the secret to making your man miss you more is just 10 simple steps? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know the tricks, but you'll have a foolproof plan to make him think about you all the time. We're talking about those little things that make you unforgettable, the kind of stuff that makes him go, "Man, I miss that goofball." And trust me, it's easier than you think. Alright, step 1 to making him miss you. Be your own amazing, fabulous self. Embrace every quirky, wonderful part of who you are. You know that person you are when you're not trying to impress anyone? Yeah, that one. The one who laughs freely, explores boldly, and lives life to the fullest. Pursue those passions, those hobbies, those things that make your heart sing. Dance like no one is watching, paint like you're the next Picasso, or write like your words could change the world. And hey, if your heart sings when you're knitting tiny sweaters for squirrels, who am I to judge? Every unique interest adds to the tapestry of who you are. The point is, having your own thing, your own spark, is incredibly attractive. It draws people in and makes them want to be around you. It shows you're independent, interesting, and not just waiting around for someone else to entertain you. You're living your life on your own terms. So go out there, be your most authentic self, and watch how quickly he starts missing your unique brand of awesome. Your individuality is your superpower, and it's what makes you unforgettable. Alright, want to know a secret? A little mystery goes a long way. Just, don't be an open book 24/7. Don't feel pressured to answer every text message the second it pops up on your phone. It's okay to leave him wondering, what is she up to? Is she rescuing kittens from trees? Is she writing a symphony? Is she finally trying that pickle ice cream I told her about? A little suspense keeps things interesting. It gives him time to actually miss you, to anticipate your next conversation, your next adventure. So go ahead, be a little mysterious. Want to make him miss you? Create unforgettable memories together. And no, I'm not talking about skydiving in Dubai, although that would be pretty epic. It's about those small, spontaneous moments that make you smile when you think back on them. Like that time you surprised him with a picnic in the living room, complete with fairy lights and his favorite takeout. The point is, shared experiences, big or small, create a bond, a connection that he'll miss when you're not around. So go ahead, make some memories. The sillier, the better. Ladies, it's time for a girls' night out. And no, I don't mean just you and your cat watching reality TV in your pajamas. When you're out living your best life, laughing with your friends and just being you, he's going to realize how much fun he has with you and how much he misses your energy. Plus, a little space is healthy for any relationship. It gives you both time to recharge, to miss each other, and to come back together even stronger. So go on, call your girls. Plan that outing and watch as he starts sending those "I miss you" texts. Okay, let's talk communication, people. Because let's be honest, nothing kills a good time faster than a text message that requires a team of cryptographers to decipher. Now, I'm not saying you need to start speaking in Morse code, but keep it clear, concise, and to the point. Tell him what you're thinking, what you're feeling, and what you want to do. No need for games or mixed signals. And listen, it's okay to disagree. It's okay to have different opinions. When you communicate effectively, you build trust, understanding, and a deeper connection. Sometimes the smallest gestures mean the most. A simple thank you for making you laugh, a heartfelt compliment on his new haircut, even if you secretly preferred the old one, or just letting him know how much you appreciate him can go a long way. Think about it. Everyone wants to feel appreciated, right? It's like giving someone a warm hug on a cold day. It just makes you feel good. So go ahead, sprinkle those little gestures of appreciation like confetti. Trust me, those small acts of kindness will make a big impact and leave him wanting more. Alright, time to spice things up. Whether it's in the kitchen or in your daily routine, adding a little zest can make a world of difference. Now, I'm not talking about anything too crazy, unless you're into that sort of thing. Then hey, you do you. A playful pillow fight or a silly joke can go a long way. But seriously, sometimes all it takes to make him miss you is to break the routine a little. Rearrange the furniture, change up your morning routine, or even just swap roles for a day. Instead of your usual Friday night pizza and movie marathon, why not surprise him with tickets to a concert or a spontaneous game night with friends? These little changes can create lasting memories. Change up your look, try a new restaurant, or even just suggest a different walking route in the park. Exploring new places and tastes can be a fun adventure. The element of surprise keeps things exciting, fresh, and keeps him on his toes. A small gift or an unplanned trip can reignite the spark. Remember, relationships thrive on novelty and excitement. Whether it's a thrilling roller coaster ride or trying out a new water sport, these experiences bring you closer. So go ahead, shake things up a bit. Dance in the living room, start a fun DIY project, or just be spontaneous. You never know, you might just discover a new shared passion and create beautiful memories along the way. Dreamy. Is there anything more exciting than planning a future adventure with someone you care about? Warm. Whether it's a weekend getaway to a cozy cabin in the woods, a trip to that exotic island you've always dreamed of, or even just a simple date night next week, having something to look forward to creates a shared sense of excitement and anticipation. Playful. Start dropping hints, create a shared Pinterest board of travel inspiration, or just casually mention that new restaurant you've been dying to try. The possibilities are endless. Sincere. When you make future plans together, it shows that you see him in your life long term, and that's a powerful message. Enthusiastic. All right, let's talk about keeping the spark alive, because let's be honest, nobody wants to be in a boring relationship. Encouraging. Trying new things together is like adding fuel to the fire of your connection. It could be as simple as taking a cooking class together, learning a new language, or even just watching a documentary about a topic you both find fascinating. Playful. The point is to step outside of your comfort zones, to explore new interests, and to create shared experiences that you'll cherish. Sincere. Remember, relationships are a journey, not a destination, and the more you experience together, the stronger your bond will become. Sincere. Okay, folks, this last one is important. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable, to open up, and to let him see the real you, quirks and all. Encouraging. Sharing your thoughts, your dreams, your fears, even those embarrassing childhood stories, creates a deeper level of intimacy and connection. Reassuring. It shows him that you trust him enough to let him see your true self, and that's a powerful thing. Warm. So, go ahead, be brave, be open, and watch as your relationship flourishes with honesty and authenticity. Cheerful. So there you have it. You've got all the tools you need to make a lasting impression and create unforgettable moments. Be your own person, add a dash of mystery, make memorable moments, and keep things fresh. Embrace your uniqueness and let it shine through in everything you do. Master these and you're on your way to being unforgettable. Remember, it's the little things that often make the biggest impact. Friendly. And now, as promised, here's the secret trick. End every interaction on a positive note. It's the perfect way to leave a lasting impression. Here's how. Share a funny story or joke, express appreciation, set a positive expectation, follow up on something they mentioned. These small gestures can make a big difference. Inviting. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more hilarious yet insightful tips on self-improvement and relationships. Your support means the world to us. Warm. And hey, remember, every great relationship starts with a smile and a little bit of laughter. It's the universal language of connection. Spread the love and share this video. Let's create a ripple effect of positivity and joy. If you like the tips and the message, please subscribe. It's the only thing I ask. Your subscription helps us continue to bring you valuable content.